Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. Today we're doing this is a follow-up on these carnitas. Last time we made them, we just made them, followed the recipe, and cooked them without anything else in them. Well, I was looking some stuff up on some like shredded pork recipes for tacos, and a real simple one. You can make them and use taco seasoning. So we've got our taco seasoning here from Costco, right? And I'm gonna make carnitas using taco seasoning, and then it also called for some green chilies. Taco seasoning, green chilies, and I'm gonna have shredded pork. Remember, these come in a 2-pack, so there's 2 of them in here. And then you wanna have this defrosted. So I've defrosted it, it's been sitting in the fridge, ready to go. So we're gonna try this out. So we're gonna cook this up. Last time, if I remember right, so we're supposed to cook this in here for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll let this heat up. I always put a little bit of olive oil in there, and then we'll get cooking it. And while I'm doing this, a quick question for you. While I'm waiting for this to heat up. Do you like the beard and mustache? Comment below. My wife hates it. And my daughter hates it. And I think pretty much everyone else hates it. Me, I kind of like it though. I think it makes me look manly. Do you? Or does it make me just look old? Another helpful thing is take your knife, stick it in that, and break it up. That's what I just did. And it made it much easier. So knife, bust it all up, hold that down, and then there it goes. It looks like it's all shredded. If you want to see how to fully make this, then just click on the link in the description. I did this in the medium, picked a medium. I've diced up some lettuce for my tacos, and we're just going to use regular taco shells. So the idea with this is a friend of mine off of Facebook, Ellen, hi Ellen, she suggested taking everyday meals from Costco and showing us cooking them and using other recipes. Ellen, thank you again for your suggestion. Okay, so we've had this cooking in here actually probably, I don't even know if it's been 5 minutes. It actually cooked pretty quick. So when you have it thawed out, it cooks a little faster than I think the recipe calls for. So I'm going to turn it down, and now I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of water, and then it calls for roughly 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning. And then I'm going to take the green chilies and dump that in there. And just like tacos, it says to mix it in and then let it simmer for like 5 minutes. So I'm going to do that as well. I'm going to cook it just like I would a normal taco. While that's simmering, get this all ready so I can do a taste test. Take and put that in there. Put a little bit of cheese in there. Got a little salsa. Love my salsa. And I always have to have some lettuce. Okay, so here is a pork taco. We'll see how it tastes. I love it. Oh, that is good. So that's better than the last one that I did where I didn't do any of that, where I just did it raw. Well, raw, you know what I mean. Didn't add anything. So much better. Okay. I'm gonna give this like I'm hovering like an 8 to the 9 range. Delicious. Okay. Make your taco. Big fan. Like, that is delicious. I like this a lot more than the last one. So much flavor. And then dumping the water in there too helped. It makes it a little bit more moist.
No lettuce? Yeah.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I didn't think I like it because of the chilies.
But do you?
I like the flavor it gives.
So Mom likes the flavor the chilies give.
Good job.
That's good. I like it.
It's like we'll be eating dinner tonight.
Looks like we're eating dinner tonight. Woohoo! And there you go. That's how much it makes. A pound of it. That's going to last a long time here. I'll have leftovers for sure, probably for the next couple days. But really, really, really good. So make it just like you do a normal taco, and you'll have a delicious pork taco. I'd say restaurant style, because it is lots of flavor. Delicious. Okay. Well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Hope to see you again. Bye-bye.